Oh, I'm sobbing. Been sobbing all day. I have to pack. I'm leaving a bunch of stuff for them. This is my favorite souvenir. When I arrived, it was new. I wore it out. A consolation is, or I hope it to be, as I'm packing, I hope the next time I unpack these things, I have a boat that I'm removing them and placing them in, that I have a boat of my own. It's the only thing that makes me, gives me hope at the moment. Some things I'm leaving for them, but some things I'm hoping that I unpack in my boat next. These spices.